Hello everyone. Now let's add a footer area in our web page. So inside this footer tag, let's add a section tag with an ID of footer left and a paragraph tag inside it with the text of and copy, that's for the copyright symbol, 2020, all rights reserved. And then below the section closing tag, you add another one with an ID of footer right with a paragraph tag of IT ToolBox. So here's what it looks like dito siya sa baba. So ngayon, let's add styling for our footer. So let's add more space here. So dito, let's add a footer. This is applicable to the footer tag sa HTML document natin. It has a height of 80 pixels. Let's just copy this background code here para parehas sila dun sa footer. Paste natin dito. So yun, may background na yung footer area natin. And then you add a font weight of bolder. And then let's also copy the font family code here and paste it down in the footer CSS rule para may Oswald font style siya. And then let's add a color of white. Now sa baba, let's add another rule for the footer left section. So you add a hash footer left, open and close curly brace, and then a float left. And then a padding top of 3% and a padding left of 3% as well. Now let's apply styling for the footer right. So hash footer right, open and close curly brace. And then this one should be float right. Let's just copy these codes here, paste it here, and then change the float value to right. And then a padding top of maybe, and a padding right of 3%. Now we have our footer. So we have here our tutorials about, so kailangan natin i-update yung links ng menu natin. So we have here the about contact IDs. So yun ang gagamitin natin dito sa href values. So dito sa about, we'll type hash about kasi yun yung name ng div or yun yung ID ng div na yun. And for the contact, change it to hash contact. When we save and preview, dun sa pag-click natin sa about, magja-jump siya directly dun sa div na yun. So same pa tutorials, contact us, ganun din. So yan yung purpose ng href na may hash. So even if isang page lang yung gawa yung HTML, pwede pa rin siyang mag-scroll dun sa specific div na nilagay nyo based on the href value. So dito we just added a hash, then the ID name of that specific div. So we have hash about and hash contact. So that's it for this lesson. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.